Alright guys, welcome back to Phoenix Hustle, and this is the Review Dudes. Today we're going to be looking at the Locksmith trailer. I know nothing about this, so I'm going in blind, so hopefully there might be some cool faces in it, or might have me intrigued. Let's get on with the trailer.
We're in. Kevin, let's get a move on. You shot him, man!
Put your hands up! Do it now!
Welcome to the world. We're gonna get you back on your feet.
I just want to make things right with Beth and Lindsay. Frank. Oh my gosh, you're so big.
Do you have anything you're really good at?
Not really.
What about picking locks? Mom told me you were the best.
I'm in trouble, Miller.
April?
The man I work for. He won't let me go, and he's still hurting me. After Kevin died, there was no one there to stop it.
I wish I never brought him there that night.
I need money to start a new life. Then you'll have made it up to me.
Are you out of your mind?
I owe her.
Not like that.
Another mistake and you're done.
Watch your six out there, fellas.
Beth, they took her. We have to go to the police now.
You find her before they find you.
I gotta handle this on my own.
Roll that gun over here!
Well, that was the Locksmith. Not gonna lie, wasn't really intrigued. I think it's like one of those same movies, someone's been taken, the father has to get him back. So, I don't have much to say about this. I might watch it if it's on a streaming service or something, but that's all I have. Phoenix Hustle out. You know it. Boom.